Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC B10A2 refers to an error related to the driver's Microcomputer Integrated Control Unit, MICU, specifically pointing to an internal issue within the EEPROM, which stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. The EEPROM plays a crucial role in storing configuration settings and specific data for the vehicle's electrical systems. In a Honda Accord from 2008 to 2012, the MICU is typically located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. When this system encounters issues, it can affect numerous functionalities, including lighting, wipers, and other electrical operations. It's essential to address this DTC promptly to ensure the integrity of the vehicle's electronic systems, as leaving it unresolved can lead to further complications. DTC B10A2 indicates a malfunction in the driver's Microcomputer Integrated Control Unit, MICU, which houses the internal EEPROM. This component is responsible for maintaining critical configurations and operational parameters for various electronic systems in the vehicle. The driver's MICU is typically installed beneath the dashboard on the left-hand side, close to the steering column, making it relatively accessible for inspection and replacement. An error in the EEPROM can trigger various electrical components to behave unpredictably or not function at all, ultimately impacting the vehicle's performance and safety. It's important to diagnose this error thoroughly, as correcting it may involve replacing the entire under-dash fuse/relay box in the USA and Canadian models of the Accord. There are several potential causes linked to DTC B10A2. A primary culprit could be a faulty driver's Microcomputer Integrated Control Unit, MICU itself, where internal components may have degraded or failed. In some cases, the EEPROM might malfunction due to corrupted data, which can typically arise from electrical surges or failures. Additionally, there could be electrical issues such as a short circuit within the wiring that connects to the MICU, leading to inconsistent performance or triggering faults. Each of these problems may present challenges for diagnostics, making careful inspection essential. Addressing these causes effectively can restore normal functionality to the vehicle's electronics. The symptoms associated with DTC B10A2 can manifest in various ways. One common symptom is erratic behavior of electrical functions, where components such as lights or wipers may turn on and off unexpectedly. Additionally, drivers might notice warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, indicating potential issues with the electrical system. Another prominent symptom includes failure of specific electrical accessories, which might operate inconsistently or not at all. These symptoms can be frustrating for drivers and may compromise vehicle safety and comfort. Recognizing these signs early can help in addressing any underlying issues with the driver's MICU before they result in more significant failures. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B10A2 is to clear any diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. The HDS is a specialized diagnostic tool that allows technicians to communicate with the vehicle's onboard computer systems. Clearing DTCs resets the vehicle's systems, which is crucial before performing any further diagnostics. This step ensures that the technician can capture any new codes that may arise after running through the following diagnostic steps. It is vital to utilize the correct model of the diagnostic tool specifically designed for Honda vehicles to guarantee accurate readings and functionalities. After clearing the codes, it's necessary to proceed to the next diagnostic steps to pinpoint the exact cause of the DTC. After clearing the DTCs, the next step involves manipulating the ignition switch. You must turn the ignition switch to the lock position, which effectively powers down all vehicle systems momentarily. Following this, turn the ignition switch back to the on-to position, without starting the engine. This action allows the vehicle systems to initialize fully and enables the diagnostic tools to accurately assess their state. It is a standard procedure that helps to reset systems and confirm whether the issue was intermittent or persistent. This step is crucial for ensuring that any current system configurations are recognized by the diagnostic system and are not just residual codes that have not been cleared properly. In this troubleshooting phase, you will need to recheck for any diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. This crucial check determines whether the DTC B10A2 remains present after performing the previous steps. If the DTC appears again, it strongly indicates that the driver's Microcomputer Integrated Control Unit, MICU, is indeed malfunctioning. It may require replacement, particularly if no other DTCs are present, allowing for a focused approach in repairs. Conversely, if DTC B10A2 does not reappear, it suggests the problem may have been intermittent, warranting a different approach to further investigate possible underlying issues. Understanding these results will guide subsequent repairs or confirm system integrity. After confirming that DTC B10A2 persists, the recommended repair action involves replacing the faulty driver's Microcomputer Integrated Control Unit, MICU. It's essential to ensure that you have the correct replacement unit and that it is properly installed under the dashboard. Once you have replaced the MICU, it's critical to verify that all connections are secure and the unit is functioning correctly. After installation, use the HDS once more to check for any lingering DTCs to ensure the issue has been thoroughly resolved. Finally, perform a test of all related electrical systems to confirm that they operate satisfactorily. A successful repair will restore full vehicle functionality and eliminate the electrical issues previously experienced. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding DTC B10A2 and similar issues in the future. Regular checks of the vehicle's electrical systems can help identify minor faults before they escalate into more significant problems. Additionally, ensure electrical components are consistently monitored for any signs of wear or malfunction. Inspecting the wiring for any frays or damages can prevent electrical shorts that may affect the MICU. Keeping the vehicle's software updated can also help maintain the integrity of the MICU's functions. Lastly, ensuring that the battery and charging system are functioning optimally can prevent electrical spikes that might damage the EEPROM. In summary, DTC B10A2 denotes an issue with the driver's Microcomputer Integrated Control Unit, MICU, stemming from an internal EEPROM error. It is crucial to clear diagnostic trouble codes using the HDS, monitor the ignition switch's position, and continually check for the recurrence of the DTC after making repairs. If the issue persists, replacing the MICU is recommended, followed by thorough verification of the installation and system functionality. Preventive maintenance practices, such as regular system checks and careful monitoring of electrical components, can significantly reduce the risk of similar issues in the future. Employing a proactive approach ensures the reliability and safety of your Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.